Hello, I'm Jill and welcome to another Phonetic Sounds video. The sound that we're focusing on today is the schwa sound. Now this is the most common sound in the English language. It's the most common vowel sound. It's also the lazy sound because we don't have to put our mouth in a particular position. You don't worry about where your tongue is. Just relax everything and just make a noise with your throat. That's it. The schwa sound, a lazy The schwa sound is represented by this symbol here. It's an upside down E, so a very lazy E, can't even be bothered to stand up straight. And so this is the sound schwa. Okay, so let's take a look at some words which have the schwa sound in them. Alarm, alarm. Computer, computer. Banana, banana. Teacher, teacher. So the schwa sound, the sound, is always an unstressed sound. So if you look at the words that I just gave as examples, each of those words has the schwa sound, but it is not the stressed sound in the word. It's the unstressed. So take a look at these words. Alarm. So alarm, the stress is on the arm part, not the alarm. Computer, computer. Banana, banana. Teacher, teacher. So schwa is always an unstressed sound. So just to note here, there is another sound in English which is very close to the schwa sound, and this is the sound. The difference between the two is not in how you hear the sound or say the sound. It's is a stressed sound and is an unstressed sound. So very close together. I wouldn't worry too much about the difference, but let me show you an example. So this word butterfly has both the and the schwa sound. But the sound is the stressed sound and the schwa sound is unstressed. But the sound is maybe the same. So have a listen. Butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. So the bu, the sound at the beginning is stressed. That's the part we say strongly, butterfly. And the in the end of the butter is unstressed. So we don't say butterfly, 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 butterfly. So it's the same sound, but the first sound is stressed, so we use the symbol and the second sound is unstressed, so we use the schwa symbol, butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. Okay, in English, any vowel, any letter that is a vowel can make the schwa sound. So spelling doesn't really help with the pronunciation. So let's take a look at some spelling versus pronunciation. Alarm, computer, cousin, carrot, supply, syringe, So as I've already said, schwa is an unstressed sound. And it can be either at the beginning, the middle, or the end of a word. It can be anywhere. So let's have a look at some examples with the schwa at the beginning, the middle, and the end of a word. Alarm, alarm. Crocodile, crocodile. Koala, koala. The schwa sound is also used in words that we don't stress. So English is a stress-timed language, which means that particular whole words are stressed and other words are unstressed or squashed in between. So, for example, I might say, if I use the phrase a cup of tea, that's a very British phrase for you, a cup of tea. But if I say this at natural speed, I wouldn't say a and of, because those are not the stressed words. Cup and tea are the important words. I would say those clearly, cup, tea, and the other words I would say quickly, and I would use the schwa sound here. A cup of tea. A cup of tea. But let's take a look at another example which shows how we use the schwa sound in English. I have a limerick for you that practices the schwa sound. So the rhyming words in the first, second, and fifth lines of the limerick end in the sound schwa. So Russia, Hussia, Russia. But listen to the words that are not stressed in the limerick and see how many times you hear that schwa sound. So instead of a, you might hear a. Instead of, you might hear a. So the schwa sound is used a lot in the unstressed words. So have a listen to this limerick, see how many times you can hear the schwa sound.
There was a young lady of Russia who screamed so that no one could hush her. Her screams were extreme, no one heard such a scream as was screamed by that lady of Russia.
So I hope you enjoyed this video and learnt a little more about the sound schwa. Schwa is a very important sound. It's also a very common sound. It's also a very lazy sound. I'm making videos of all the phonetic sounds in English, and you can find them in Jill's English Pronunciation Gym right here on my YouTube channel or on the Study HQ Cairns website. The Pronunciation Gym is a place where you can go to do English workouts every day to strengthen those English muscles, improve your English pronunciation, and in turn improve your English listening. There are limericks, tongue twisters, phonetic sounds, and lots more to help you practice your English pronunciation. So head over for a workout today. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.